Are you thirsty? Are you hungry? Do you have sore feet? Do you have a cough in your cold?
Ethan. No, Ethan, don't go in.
Does your head hurt? Do your eyes hurt? Is it too bright in here? Do you want me to turn the lights off? Are you Irish? Do you like me? Do you love me? What's the matter? I don't like you that much. What's wrong? What's wrong? Sit down. What's your matter? What's wrong? What is it? What's the matter? What's wrong? What's the matter? What's wrong? What's the matter? Is there a fire? Sit down. Sit down.
Timmy fell in the well.
What's wrong?
There's a fire at the old mill.
Is there a fire at the old mill? Did Timmy fall in the well? Did you run out of dog food? What is it?
Ask him a question.
Who's your mama? Who's your mommy? Where's Kylie? Where's Kylie? Here, get on my shoulder like a parrot.
Jasper.